My name is Raegan Yuncker, and I am a sales associate at East Central Motorsports in Ohio.
And East Central has developed this reputation as being the pit bike center, one of the pit bike centers in the Midwest. You've got factory-sponsored riders, or at least dealership-sponsored riders, and you're making that scene happen. On the West Coast, it died. We haven't seen a pit bike market. We thought it was gone, but it lives on.
Well, that's awesome to hear you say that. That's definitely something that we pride ourselves in, and a reputation that we, as a small family-owned business, worked hard to establish. And I think that that has just come from bringing in brands like Tao and Denago, and these brands that offer consistency help us to maintain strong relationships with customers and giving them products that they can trust, and then they'll want to come back to us.
So you've
As
got the
dealers.
product you can trust, you've got a history of it, you've got the racing that going on, but now you've been here to the factory and actually seen the manufacturing process. What's your takeaway from that?
I think it's incredibly impressive and something that us as a dealer maybe didn't expect. Something to be so large and have so many different workers united under one common goal to push for improvement and quality.
And how has your reception been by the Chinese people?
Everybody has been so kind and so welcoming and so willing to show us their towns and their cities and their culture. That's been wonderful.